Yeah, I think so. We are live now. Uh, Hello, friends. So, I've thought that we can also do live sessions like this where we discuss and study some counters for the next trading session, and also we can discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, if you're watching my video from past 1 month, we are covering Nifty analysis, Bank Nifty analysis, and definitely we are also doing update on Dow and many such things. Okay, so right now today Nifty move was quite surprising. Okay, if we see today's Nifty move, we can definitely see a sharp fall. Let me click here. Yes, this is the Nifty chart. You can see here there is a sharp fall. Okay, and basically I was expecting that if 850 level is taken out, we can at least reach till 950 kind of level. Now, if I see Dow chart, Dow is looking good. Now, if I see DAX chart, okay, this is DAX index. This is also looking good. Okay. Now, both of the index are looking good, but there was a profit booking on our indices. So it can be a expiry effect as well. You can see here, this is now Nifty 5-minute chart. Okay, there was a fall. Yesterday I was discussing if there is a big gap, one can avoid. The gap was pretty normal. Okay, the gap was quite okay. And in spite of that small gap, okay, this is 50-point gap, that was okay. I was assuming we can rally from here. Then it finally filled this gap. Okay, you can see this is gap number 1 and this was the gap number 2. I was hoping that after filling gap number 2 we will see some recovery, but in the end we saw some recovery. So we will wait for one more day. Okay, we will look at the Friday trading session, and then we will go for downside setup. Okay, apart from that, if I go again on daily chart and let us mark some level. Okay, uh, if you see the Nifty chart here, this it is taking a very good support at 19600 level. Okay, now this level was seen previous trading, back to 2 days prior trading session. Okay, this was the level which is near at 19620, 19615 level. 19550 is another level which we will be watching very carefully. Okay, so if someone wants to play safe, then they can watch 19500 as a critical support level. Okay, so 19500, you must watch that level. If someone is doing intraday, then 19550 is the level where one can take some aggressive bets. Otherwise, if someone wants to try for some positional setup, then 19500 is the ideal level. Okay, on the higher side, now we will like to wait for 19900 instead of 19800. This is the broader range. We have seen that on the last day of this was the last day of monthly expiry, there can be some fall. Okay, I mean a one-way trend fall. So this was in line. Now you may argue that, sir, this is an engulfing candle on Nifty, and we have studied that engulfing candle are bearish candle, but you need to discount that fact while doing that analysis, that Nifty is in very nice uptrend. Then we can see a pause in the uptrend. After this breakout, there is a pause. Okay, this engulfing is not formed at the top and there is no resistance. We are at all-time high level. Okay, so the validation of engulfing candle is quite less right now. Okay, so wait for 19500 on the downside. If it is taken out, then one can play for 19400 and 19350 kind of level. And on the higher side, if 19900 is breach, one can attempt for 20,000 level. On the smaller time frame, one can wait for 5 and 15-minute chart setup. Let me go to Bank Nifty now. And Bank Nifty, we can see similar kind of engulfing candle. Now on Bank Nifty, you will say, sir, it is at the resistance level. We are looking at engulfing setup. Definitely, it is at the resistance level. Uh, Again, it is in a very good healthy uptrend. I would wait for 45 500 level here. If that is taken out, then 45 200 and 45k is the level which one can plan for on the downside. On the upside, wait for 46 500. We are seeing this level from our past videos as well. So 46 500 on the upside, 45 500 on the downside. Let us go to US chart now. Okay, now on Dow chart you can see a one-way healthy rally. Okay, next resistance it will have at 36k. Okay, there is a resistance at 36k. If you try to take out Q from Dow, it is bullish. Okay, and today there is one important number. Again, their GDP numbers will come, so market will react on that. But looking at the current rally, this one-way up rally, it seems that even 36k might be breached soon. Going to Brent is also looking normal. Dow is giving upside rally. Brent is also going little bit up. Now 85 is the level it should head for. Okay. After the Brent took 81.5 level, this was the level. Okay. There are chances that Brent will hit $85. Now, going towards some of the counter that we discussed in our last video, let me put IDFC First Bank. Now, it was a very good breakout in the morning, okay, but then there was a sharp fall in banking counter, and IDFC Bank also, we can see, was in trouble. It was showing a downward trend then. So guys, this is a breakout failure, and I was expecting a breakout soon. The breakout did happen, but it failed then. So in this case, someone was trading for intraday, definitely their SL might get hit. Okay. Now looking at our second counter that I was discussing yesterday, we were studying this Balakrishna Industry. Now Balakrishna Industry didn't hit its trigger level. It was 25 level. Okay. So this level is still secured. If this level is breached, I think definitely a move should come. Now, if you look at Balakrishna weekly chart, this is the weekly chart setup. And here you can see this is a symmetrical triangle formation. Now, in this symmetrical triangle formation, there is a very good breakout. After that, all the bars are inside this big bar. Okay, all the bars body are inside this big bar. So this is definitely providing a resistance, and 25 is the level that you should mark alert on, and you can keep this counter on watch list. This should give a good move. Now let us discuss some counter that we can look for Friday session, and one of that counter is About India. You can look here. See this, a very nice breakout, ATH breakout can happen here. So again, a breakout soon counter. This is a all-time high level About. So one should wait for 24,000 level. If 24,000 level is taken out, one can definitely try to take some upside movement from this counter. Okay, and one reality counter is coming on our radar. So if you remember, I was discussing about Kalpatru. Here is the chart. Okay, we discussed at 610, 620 level. So today was a news, I think. So there was some news. This is the daily chart. So very good moment we can see here as well. Now on reality side, if you look at DLF chart, it is looking good. If you look at Godrej property, it is looking good. I am selecting Oberoi reality. Now look at this Oberoi reality chart. This is again a resistance. Here you can see the previous swing high. This is a rising wedge pattern here. Rising wedge pattern breakout we are looking at right now instead of breakdown. Okay, this is a breakout with the previous swing resistance also taken out by the current candle. Okay, so I will be bullish on this counter if 1120 is taken out. Then I will be bullish on this counter, and I can look this counter to go till 1180 and 1200 level in the coming session. On the other hand, this was the FNO counter, Obrai. Okay, Abbott was also our FNO counter. Now let us look at this case counter, which is CDSL, and here you can look at a flag formation. Okay, one can say flag, one can say pennant. So basically in pennant, your body line will be, slanting. In flag, they are parallel. So in this case, one can also draw like this, no issue. Okay, one can also draw like this. So this is a flag structure. Here is the pole, and the level which we need to see is 1240. If 1240 is taken out, then there will be a flag breakout, and we all know that after a flag breakout, there is fast move in the market. Okay. Now, in this case, CDSL, it might take 1 or 2 days as well if we see market going down. Okay, it's not like the other two counter. They can run on their sectoral strength. We can see pharma doing good, reality doing good. But in case of CDSL, if market goes down, one can wait for 1 or 2 days. Now, if I look at one banking counter which I was looking, it is forming a CNH type structure. Okay, so you can look here, a CNH type structure. Okay, and this bank was quite resilient in today's fall. So I will be waiting for 301 level to be taken out on this counter. If that level is taken out, then I think this should also give us some up move. Today was a good day if this counter wanted to go down, but it did held really well in today's selling. So I am hoping that 301, if taken out, then definitely should give us some good move. Okay guys, so these are our counters, and I will see comment if you all comment that we can do live sessions like this, then I will be happy to do these kind of sessions, and you can comment your query as well while we do this session. So please put down the comment what you think about this new format, and I will meet you tomorrow. Okay guys, by the way, if anyone have any doubt, you can ask. I think today was the first day, most of us was not knowing about this. So let us meet tomorrow, and then we will discuss. Okay, thank you guys, we'll meet tomorrow.